All right, it's time for this mattress to go. What do you think? Time for it to go?
Yeah, 9 months too long.
Yeah. So this is the bed that came with our DRV, and you can see here the previous owners put this on top to make it more comfortable. Okay, so let's take this off, because this is an add-on. I don't think this came with the mattress originally.
I don't think so.
So let's get rid of this. Watch out, Maggie.
Beep beep, Maggie. Say hello.
Watch out.
Hello. Okay, go. Go, Maggie. Go. Go.
We got that off of here. That was obviously an add-on, but this is an air style bed, and it's got the controls, and you can set, I think it's got 2 zones, and you set the different air pressure, and you can see how.
Wait a minute.
See?
Seriously, it was.
There's a memory foam.
But why are they 2 different memory foams?
Well, because it probably didn't. I don't know. All I know is this is the most uncomfortable bed I've ever slept on. It doesn't matter if I got it set on 100 or 2.
And with back problems?
I got back problems, and this thing is just super uncomfortable. And so what we did is, and I'll show you the mattress we got to replace this with here in a little bit, but we finally broke down and just bought another mattress like we bought for our Bighorn. We loved that bed.
The reason why we waited so long, though, is because they were out of stock. That's how much they're.
Yeah, they've been out of stock because of COVID. But the other con about this bed is it's super hot at night, and we sweat like crazy on it. And it's probably just the type of foam it is or something. But yeah, we have tried to grow to love this bed for about, what, 5 or 6 months? And I couldn't do it any longer. At
first it was comfortable.
Yeah.
And then it just gradually, the air wasn't staying in.
Yeah. It's just, I don't know. It's just not our cup of tea. So if you're considering getting in this air type bed for your RV, we wanted to let you know the experience we've had with it. It may or may not help you, but we're going to take this bed out, and then we're going to put in the new mattress, and it comes in a roll, and you'll see that in a minute. And you put it on, and you're supposed to let it sit for 24 hours to expand to its full height. And like I said, we had the same exact brand mattress in our Bighorn, and we loved it. Actually, it's still in the Bighorn. The Bighorn's still for sale.
We couldn't get it out of the Bighorn.
Yeah, once it expands, it's this size. So anyway,
I think it's thicker.
We're going to pull this one out and go get the new one and put it in. So here's the new bed. It's a Dynasty. It comes with 2 memory foam pillows that are awesome. Let me go get my razor knife so I can open it. All right. It's hard to believe that a mattress is in this little box.
They're not paying us or nothing. We bought this with our own money.
Yeah, that's a good point. Yeah, this is not a sponsored product. We just bought this because we bought the first one and we loved it. So we bought another one.
We've been checking weekly for them to come back in stock.
Right now, these are about $5.99 with 2 pillows. On Amazon, I'll put the link in the description below. So if you guys want to check this bed out, they have different sizes. This is a RV King. They have a regular king. I think they have a Cal King. They have a twin, a queen. So they have different sizes. But this is the RV King. And see if I can get this box open. And the pillows that come with this are amazing.
Now we got 4 of them.
Yeah. Okay. Woo. All right. That's about all there is to the unboxing. Now, we're going to take this inside, lay it where the mattress goes, and undo all this plastic, and it's going to go
Hopefully.
and expand. And we got to wait 24 hours before we can lay on it. So we're going to sleep in the toy hauler tonight. That's why we have to sleep in the toy hauler. Okay. Ah, they're not light. This is the easiest mattress to put in your RV.
The bigger one was a little more snug.
It's not light, but
Hey.
okay. All right,
Hold
let me
on.
get some scissors because I don't want to cut it.
Yoo-hoo-hoo.
Okay, got my handy dandy scissors. Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
This is really thick plastic. Let me get over here where there's a little indentation.
There it goes. Step one.
Step one. Okay, that's the bottom. So pull this out. Get it in position. There's one of the pillows.
Oh my goodness.
Scrunched down. There's the paperwork. I believe that's the bottom. So let's do it this way.
The pillows are on the bottom.
I know. We'll just have to get the pillows out after it inflates, or after we open it up.
Want some help?
No, I got it. It's just awkward.
How do you know which is the top?
Well, because the bottom has
Oh.
that
Oh, that's right.
gripper thingy on it. Okay. Now make sure you get this in whatever position you want it in before you take this plastic off, because it's going to go.
And it's not light.
And it's a bear to move after it's inflated.
Yeah, at least I don't have to move this one in and out to change the sheets like in the big one.
That's true.
But hey, it was worth every minute.
There we go.
Oh yeah.
Kind of like that. Now, let the air in.
Oh, wait a second. You can sleep on this because it's a 72-hour process with the zip side facing down.
Yeah, it's facing down. That's the bottom. Ow. Make sure you use scissors because you don't want to cut it.
Pillow number one. Pillow number two. They do inflate
Yeah.
as well. They're made of the same material, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's got that funky smell.
So, this is a 12-inch mattress. So you can see right now, it's already almost doubled since I opened it, but it's going to get about this high. So we'll come back and check on it as it inflates, and the pillows will inflate, and the hump will come out. just as a follow-up, we've been on this mattress for about a month, and you can see how it's expanded. It's expanded a lot. It was probably that thick when we unwrapped it, and you can see now how thick it is. It says it's a 12-inch mattress. I think it's probably a little thicker than that, but yeah, it has not disappointed. It sleeps just like the one that we had in the Bighorn. It's still in the Bighorn. This is RV King. So I'm gonna put the link in the description, the video description below. So if you're interested in this mattress, go check it out on Amazon. It is our Amazon affiliate link, so we do get a little bit commission when you purchase through that link, but it doesn't cost you any more. So go check it out. You can return it if you're not satisfied. It does come with 2 pillows made out of the same material. It sleeps cool, and it's very comfortable. It's firm, but it kind of sucks you in, and it's comfortable. Like Tina mentioned in the beginning of this video, we bought this mattress with our own money. This is not a promotional mattress or giveaway or anything like that. We bought it because we had purchased the one for the Bighorn, and we loved it so much that as soon as these came back in stock, we picked one up for this rig. We're very happy with this mattress. Like I said, it sleeps cool. It's firm, but it kind of sucks you in a little bit with the memory foam. One big thing for us is the sleeping cool, because the last memory foam we had just made you sweat, and that's no way to sleep. Like I said, we've been on this mattress about a month now, and it does not disappoint. It's just like what we were used to in the Bighorn. So go check it out on Amazon. The link's below, and let me know what you think. If you end up getting one, let us know how you like it, how your experience is with it. And we hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was helpful. And until next time, safe travels. Bye.